Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error 0x8007064a, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. The next solution is to reset the Microsoft Store. How would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. The next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store app. So we have a command for you. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Copy it. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. Okay. Well, wait a minute. I'll use this command without the dot. Okay, now this has registered the Microsoft Store. And lastly, a lot of other websites explain countless network related solutions. I simply say one simple solution for all network related issues: network reset. It covers everything. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings, click on network reset, select reset now, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.